Welcome to Tools Met. Today, we're reviewing one of Amazon's most popular CNC machines, a powerful, precise, and beginner-friendly cutting and engraving tool for woodworkers, hobbyists, and small businesses. The first thing you'll notice is the solid metal frame. It's built to minimize vibration and maximize stability, which means every cut comes out cleaner and more accurate. Whether you're working with wood, acrylic, plastic, or soft metals, this machine stays steady and delivers consistent results. The performance is where this CNC really shines. The stepper motors run smoothly and provide excellent precision even during long cutting sessions. The spindle delivers steady power, and the adjustable speed control lets you switch between materials easily. From detailed engravings to 3D carving projects, this machine gives you professional-level accuracy without the high cost. One of the biggest strengths of this CNC machine is how easy it is to use. The setup is straightforward, the instructions are clear, and it's compatible with popular software like GRBL, Candle, and Lightburn. Even if you're a beginner, you'll be able to start creating projects right out of the box. For DIY creators, small workshop owners, and makers who want quality without spending thousands, this machine is a perfect fit. Now, let's quickly run through the highlights. A stable and durable build, impressive cutting accuracy, wide software compatibility, and a very beginner-friendly setup. For the price, you're getting excellent value. Of course, no machine is perfect,